Activating Lycamobile's international roaming has become easier than ever, with multiple convenient options now available to customers. There are four primary ways to activate your roaming service: the mobile app, SMS commands, the online portal, and customer service support. The mobile app is now the primary and most convenient activation method, offering a complete digital-first experience. Using the mobile app is straightforward. Simply download the app, log in, navigate to the roaming section, and select your desired plan or pay-as-you-go option. For those who prefer traditional methods, SMS commands remain available, along with the online portal and 24/7 customer service support. Regardless of which activation method you choose, proper preparation is essential for a smooth roaming experience. It's recommended to activate roaming 24 to 48 hours before your departure. This ensures everything is properly set up and gives you time to resolve any issues. Make sure to check your account balance and ensure you have sufficient credit to cover the roaming charges for your planned usage. Remember that roaming networks are automated and should work as soon as you travel abroad. If you experience any issues, simply restart your phone or contact customer service. Lycamobile uses a simplified zone-based pricing model that divides the world into 3 distinct roaming zones, each with different rates and coverage policies. Zone 1 covers all European Union and European Economic Area countries. Thanks to EU regulations, customers can roam like at home with the same rates as their domestic plan. Zone 2 includes popular destinations like the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. These countries have premium pricing but remain competitive compared to traditional carriers. Zone 3 covers the rest of the world, including Asia Pacific, Middle East, Africa, and Latin America. Pricing varies based on bilateral agreements with local network operators. Here are the typical pricing ranges for 2025. Zone 1 offers the most affordable rates, with calls from 5 to 15 cents per minute, SMS from 2 to 5 cents, and data from 2 to 5 euros per gigabyte. Zone 2 destinations like the USA and Australia have higher rates, while Zone 3 shows the widest variation, with some countries costing as much as 2.5 euros per minute for calls. Data roaming has become the dominant service, now accounting for 78% of Lycamobile's roaming revenue, up dramatically from just 45% in 2020. It's crucial to monitor your usage through Lycamobile's mobile app to avoid unexpected charges. The app provides real-time usage tracking and helps you stay within fair usage limits. Remember that data caps and time limits may apply depending on your destination and plan. Always check the specific terms for your roaming zone and monitor your usage to avoid unexpected charges.